Okay, so the first one is Jiluan. And Jiluan means Monday. And as you see in this picture, Monday is Monday. But obviously in English, they have gone for Norse days of the week, some of them. But in Gaelic, they've gone for Latin.
Yeah.
So that's why if you know Latin, so Jiluan, day of the moon, moon day, Lundi. So that's Latin. It comes from Latin. Okay, and then the next one is Dimanche. Dimanche. So Dimanche is Tuesday. Dimanche. And so it's the day of Mars. And again, this is Latin.
Mardi.
Yes, that's it. Yeah, this is Latin. Dimanche. It's easy to remember this way. So Dimanche. Okay. Dikiaden. So the three next ones, including Dikiaden, are Old Celtic. So and it has to do with days of fast. So the first is Kiat means first, and En or Ene means fast. So the day of first fast. Okay. Yeah, Gaelic has gone for fast. So it's the day of first fast. So Wednesday and Friday are days of fast. In Christianity as well, might have been Celtic Church. I also looked, and Ene can also mean honor. So only honor somebody, God, by fasting. That's probably it. Okay. So Kiaden. Okay. Jirten. That is the day between fasts. Okay. So, well, you know that between is ether, and in this case, there is only R left. Okay. Ether. Fast. It's a day between two fasts. Jirten. And Jehenia, and this is the day of the fast. So the word ein or enya is feminine, so that's why there is H, and it's gentle. So the day of fast. Okay. Right, okay, that's Friday. English has gone for Friday. So Gisarne. Back to Latin. Gisarne is the day of Saturn. Okay, Saturday. Gisarne. Okay, and then we've got two words for Sunday. So Gidonich. This is Latin again. Okay. Gidonich. We had it today on the Lord's Day. Yeah, in Southeast, Vara and Vindicula, they're being Catholic islands. And any other Catholic areas. Gidonich. Okay, is Sunday. And in Protestant areas, it's Lana Sabbath. Okay, Lana Sabbath. So Sabbath day, Lana Sabbath. Okay. Okay, so these are the days. Now we will look at these sentences. Okay, so to ask what day of the week it is, you say J and La, a hound, and Jew. J and La, a hound, and Jew. We had a Jew today in the vocabulary, so J and La, a hound, and Jew. What day of the week it is today? Now, Anye Jiluan, a hound, and Jew. Anye Jiluan, a hound, and Jew. So,
Is it Tuesday? Is it Monday?
is it Monday today? Monday and Tuesday, and Saturday and Sunday are Latin. And so, Anye Jiluan, a hound, and Jew. Is it Monday today? Okay. Okay, and this is, yes, it is. She Jikiaden, a hound, and Jew. So, She Jikiaden, a hound, and Jew. So it's Wednesday today. She Jikiaden, a hound, and Jew.
Okay.
Okay, and this is to say no. Hanye Jidonich, a hound, and Jew. So, Hanye Jidonich, a hound, and Jew.
It is not Sunday today.
Yeah, that's it. It's reasonably easy, I think, especially if you remember that some of them are Latin and some of them are called Gaelic. Okay then.
Thank you.